Hey guys, I'm really excited because today I just received a new package from Born Pretty. Let's check out what they sent me. Looks like they were originally wrapped up in these, but I guess they happened to fall out. But they showed up in one piece, so that's still good. So it looks like we've got 5 polishes here, and they are from the Shimmer Reflective Cat Eye Magnetic Gel Series. So I'm excited to see what these colors are going to be like. Let's get the packaging off, and then I will go ahead and do up some swatches. I can really appreciate that they've got these plastic suctioned wrappers on them, because then at least if it does end up having a leak in transport, it's going to be confined inside there for the most part. So that'll help protect your bottles from having leakage when you open up your package, hopefully. So we've got 10 ml bottles of color, and it looks like this is collection SR01 through SR06, but I am missing number 4. This is SR01. It's quite a nice and smooth consistency. Let's see what our cat eye effect does. So I'm going to do like usual that I do with my swatches. I'm going to remove the cat eye on the first coat, and then go in with the cat eye look on the second. Now that we've got our second coat on there, good. Let's prime this magnet up. Oh, look at that. It's really like flashy. It's a very glittery cat eye. I'm really surprised how reactive this is. Quite impressed, actually. And let's get my flower. Now this is my favorite way to do my magnet polishes. There we go. All right. It's quite nice. Here we have SR02. It's a beautiful gold. Super glittery gold. Move that cat eye glitter. Turns it to just a lovely syrup with a few little glitter flecks. See what that magnet does. Oh yeah. Again, really nice and reactive. Really bright flash. That's so fun. Next we have SR03. This is kind of like a rose gold, I would say. It's giving rose gold vibes. It's an interesting color. It's like a pinky brown syrup. Let's check out that magnet. This one's not quite impressing me as much as the last two. I don't know why, maybe because their glitters looked a little different. Here we have SR05. Ooh, very glittery red, my goodness. That's lovely. Oh, that's a really nice red jelly. Really nice color. Very Valentine's-y red. This is such an awesome, like, Christmas red or Valentine's red. It's so bright and deep. Like the ultimate red. Classic, is that the word maybe? Classic red? I noticed that these glittery ones, they struggle a bit more with this type of like flower design down here. Reset it and try it again. Yeah, I feel like the magnetic flower probably works a lot better for the like silky smooth magnets. They're really tight magnets, whereas this one being a glitter is a little trickier for the flower design to form really well, because it's not going to have as tight lines just because it's a bunch of glitters. So that one's struggling a little bit with it. The last one I have is SR06. This is maybe a burgundy. No, I'm gonna have to check that out on the swatch to be sure. Well, I was close. It's more of a maroon. It's leaning like reddy brown tones as opposed to reddy purple. Oh, and it's quite a very dark syrup underneath. So it is a syrup gel, but it's very, very dark for a syrup. This one's beautiful color, but again, not quite as reactive as the first couple. I really feel like the flowers are not going to work so hot on this one. Just because I'm having a hard time really concentrating those glitter magnet particles. Yeah. See, they're really showing up here. I think I'm going to have to try a different effect to be able to see it on this. Okay, I'm going to see how it does with something like this tea magnet here. Yep, it did do an effect. Yeah, it's just because it's a glitter and the particles are really big and flashy. It's not going to quite give you that sharper definition that some other types of magnets will. And that's why it's struggling with the smaller, finer details like the floral. So that just lets you know when you're using something like this, you want to expect to be using it for just the highlight look or, you know, like wavy lines or something like that, as opposed to attempting to do maybe the viral heart technique or something like that, where you're going to need clean lines to kind of get the image across. This will probably struggle a bit more with something like that. And this polish really seems like you need to reset it. Like if I put the cat eye effect somewhere that I don't particularly want it, and then I try and shift it, it doesn't come back that easily. It will be a lot faster if you go in and swipe the coat and kind of reset it to start over. Here we are, all finished and top coated. As usual, I've got matte at the bottom, glossy to the tip. And these colors are really quite lovely. And as you can really see, like the silver and the gold and even the rose gold do a really good job of, for a flash magnetic polish anyway, of separating those flower petals. You can see it quite well. But then when we got into the reds, they were really, really struggling to do the magnet with this little flower bit here. And it could just be that this isn't quite strong enough for them, or that these flash glittery magnetic particles just can't quite move the same way as a really silky magnetic would. Because the flash is like bigger chunks, and there's flash stuff in there that probably interferes a little bit with the magnet, making it not quite as smooth. So for this one here, I just skipped, after multiple attempts of doing the flower pattern, I just skipped it and went with a typical cat eye stripe kind of thing. Because the cat eye effect is really quite lovely. It's just not necessarily going to, you know, do a more definitive design that you might want. You're just going to get the very pretty glittery effect of that cat eye. So yeah, I gotta say, these are just beautiful. I don't think I have any other cat eye flash glitters. There we go. And let's see what it looks like with flash. I'm gonna try. Oh wow, check out that flash effect. That is really cool. That's with, I've got a flash on from a phone. So there it is off. And there it is on. Look at that. That's really nice. Brings out a lot more dimension, like especially in this particular color. Yeah, those are really cool with the flash effect. This one is like showing yellowy, but that's just because of the yellow flash, and it's like a white silver, so it kind of picks up the yellow, the warm yellow light. Makes it look like it's yellowy when really it's not. The camera is picking it up as yellowy, but in person it's purely silvery white. So these are really beautiful. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these along to me to check out. I really enjoyed that. These are quite lovely. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to click it to check these out. And they are definitely worth a peek because they are quite beautiful, I gotta say. As always, guys, thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. I always appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to be sure to see every time that I have new videos pop out every week, and I try and add as many extras as possible. And of course, as always, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!